This video is going to show you how to set the device ID on a ProLogic system. Now, why would you want to do this? If you have the ProLogic L22, L62, L66, or any of the locks that have an audit trail, then when you print out the audit trail, you want to be able to know which lock this audit trail came from. So we can set the number of this device. Here's how we do it. Press the menu button, scroll down the system menu and press OK. Then enter either the manager code or the supercode. And then we scroll down until we see Set Device ID. And it's quite a ways down. Set Device ID. Press OK. The default device ID is always 17. But you can change that by entering any number. So let's say we want to make this 56. 0056. And device ID would now be changed to device ID number 56. Okay. There's one other in here that I'll show you that you will rarely use, but that is host ID. And you might get this confused with device ID. It comes immediately after device ID. And this is in order to set what computer this lock can talk with. This has to do with downloading the audit trail. If you wanted to have more than one computer that you can download audit trail to with our software, then you would set that host ID so that it can only communicate with that PC that has the host ID of whatever you set on this entry pad. But rarely will you ever change that. So that's how you set device ID, and just leave host ID as is in most cases.